Now let's explore Photoshop tools by deleting the background of these images. So we only want the bed. Now pay attention, okay, why I have these three types of bed. I want to share with you when you want to search, okay, when you want to search plans for the furniture, make sure it's the correct size. For example, yes, we in Malaysia we're familiar with single bed, queen bed and king bed, but in certain countries there's also twin single. It's wider than single bed, but it's not as big as queen bed. Okay, be careful of that. So let's just open maybe this one. Okay, you can just drag to the Photoshop. Oh, this is good. This is already, when you see this, the squarish white and gray square, it means it already has transparent background. Now let's close that one. We're going to select the other one here. Now let's delete the background. This is not actually a plan here. This is actually perspective, but we can just use this image for the exercise. Now go to, okay, you can see here when you open a new image, you will see that it's locked. The layer is locked. Okay, what you can do is you can select the layer. You can drag here to copy, or you can do Ctrl J to copy. Let's just hide the other layer, the one with the lock. Okay, we're going to hide that one. So make sure you deselect the layer that you want to work on. Now go to the left side. There's a few tools here. The first one is move. So basically you can move this one, move the layer. The second one is select. So if you click and hold, there's a few other marquee tool, okay, marquee selection tool. The third one is polygonal lasso tool. This is quite interesting. I use this a lot because sometimes you cannot use, okay, you can just use like this. After a while, you're going to be able to do this very fast. So this is actually how we do it last time when the tools are not as good as today. Okay, delete. Okay, what you can also do, let me undo that. Undo is just Ctrl Z. Redo is Ctrl Shift Z. Okay, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Shift Z. Or you can just go to Edit and undo a redo here. Now, if you click long at lasso tool, there's lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and others, magnetic lasso tool. Here is what we're looking for, magic wand tool. Let's click. You can see the settings here. I think you can explore that later. Okay, going to take a long time if we want to explore that. So let's just click here. You can see that it automatically selected those with the same color. You can change the tolerance here. Let's see, make it 30. And when I go here to the left side and click, it will click more. You see, it even clicks those until here because it goes to the grayish color, not only white color. So let's click undo and change to 17. So let's select this side, this side. Okay. Now you can also deselect here. So what I usually do is just manually deselect. Sometimes it's like quicker to do that way. Okay, here you can see the lasso tool. There's plus symbol. If you go to the top, okay, to the settings here, choose the first one, means it's going to select. But if you click select, it will deselect whatever you selected before. So what you want to do is to choose the third one, which is minus, subtract from selection. So just click here. Let us see how it looks like. Okay, so we already deselected that part. So when you finish deselecting, just double click. Okay, why I don't pay much attention whether it's like it's accurate or not, because it's going to be very small. This one is going to be 1 to 100 scale, right? And it's going to be, for the furniture, it's going to be very small, so don't worry much about making it perfect. Okay. So we're going to press delete to delete the background and Ctrl D to deselect. So that's your first object for your floor plan rendering.